Hey there, adventure seekers. Welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a mind-blowing adventure lined up for you, Flying Pig River Rafting. That's right, folks. We're taking river rafting to a whole new level. Get ready to witness flying pigs and adrenaline-pumping rapids. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our epic adventures.
So, you might be wondering, what on earth is Flying Pig River Rafting? Well, it's exactly what it sounds like. A thrilling combination of river rafting and, you guessed it, flying pigs. We've teamed up with the most creative minds to bring this one-of-a-kind adventure to life.
Behind every epic adventure, there's an incredible team. These skilled rafters and engineers have been working tirelessly to design and build the perfect flying pig rafts. Safety is our top priority, so rest assured, we've got it all under control.
Alright folks, it's go time! Everyone's strapping into their flying pig rafts and the excitement is palpable. The rafts are equipped with special mechanisms that allow them to glide just above the water's surface. It's like a mix of rafting and hang gliding.
Woohoo! Look at them go! These flying pig rafts are taking on the rapids like never before. The thrill of flying just inches above the rushing water is unlike anything you've ever experienced. It's a whole new way to enjoy the power of nature.
As if the heart-pounding rapids weren't enough, the views up here are absolutely stunning. You're treated to an aerial perspective of the river, the lush greenery, and the untouched beauty of nature. It's an adventure for both the thrill seekers and the nature enthusiasts.
And just like that, the Flying Pig Rafts gently touched down on solid ground. What an adventure, right? Flying Pig River. Rafting has taken us on an unforgettable journey, combining the excitement of river rafting with the thrill of flight.
Thanks for joining us on this incredible adventure, folks. If you're looking to experience the rush of adrenaline and the serenity of nature all at once, Flying Pig River Rafting is the perfect choice. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment telling us which adventure you'd like to see next. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.